Device Setup. Device Setup. When turning the device on for the first time, or after a factory reset, you will be walked through a series of prompts to set up your device. Choose the desired language, then select Start. Select Details to review the device's policies. If you agree, select the desired circles, then select Next. If you would like to connect to a Wi-Fi network, select the desired network name and follow the on-screen prompts. Select Turn off Wi-Fi to continue setup without connecting to a Wi-Fi network, and to turn off Wi-Fi to save battery life. Select Skip to proceed without connecting to Wi-Fi. Logging into a Google account is required if you intend to use Google services, such as the Play Store, Gmail, Google Maps, and more. If you would like to add your Google account, enter your email or phone number, then select Next and follow the prompts. If you do not have an account but would like to add one, select Create Account. If you would like to continue without setting up an account, select Skip. Select Skip again to confirm. Review the Google Services prompt, then select the desired switches. When finished, scroll to and select Accept. If you would like to set your screen lock now, select the desired option and follow the on-screen prompts for setup. To proceed without activating device protection features, select Skip. Select Skip anyway to confirm. Review additional apps that you would like to have downloaded to your device when Wi-Fi is available. Then select the checkboxes as desired. Scroll to and select OK when finished. Review the Terms and Conditions prompt, then select I agree. Setup Services allows you to set up visual voicemail and Wi-Fi calling. Select Setup and follow the prompts as desired. When finished, select Next. Review the Get Apps prompt and select the checkboxes next to the desired apps. When finished, select Next. To proceed without downloading additional apps, deselect all of the checkboxes, then select Skip. Transfer Content allows you to transfer content, accounts, and services from a previous device. Select Start and follow the prompts as desired. To proceed without transferring content, select Skip. Review the AT&T Mobile Network Diagnostics prompt, then select Accept. If you would like to transfer data from your old device to your new device for quicker setup, select Next and follow the prompts to complete the process. Select Skip to continue without transferring your data. If you would like to sign in to your Samsung account, enter the phone number or email associated with your Samsung account. Then select the arrow. Follow the prompts to complete setup. If you do not already have a Samsung account, select Create Account and follow the on-screen prompts for setup. If you wish to proceed without setting up a Samsung account, select Skip. Select Skip again to confirm. Select Finish to complete setup.